this is Jeff from QualityDoor.com, and today our foreman Frank is going to show you how to install a Von Duprin request to exit switch as well as electric latch retraction kit in a 98 series or a 99 series Von Duprin exit device. So some of the parts we have here, the first one is a request to exit switch. Our part number is a 050251-00, and that gives you the request to exit functionality on the bar. The other part number that we're going to install today is a QEL. It's Von Duprin's quiet electric latch retraction, and that part number for a 48-inch bar is a 040065. Today we're going to install on a Von Duprin 99 series 48-inch bar, but if you were going to install it on a 36-inch bar, you would use a 040063. So these QEL, quiet electric latch retraction kits, are great to retrofit existing mechanical exit devices and turn them into electrified exit devices to work with a key fob, key switch, or keypad. You punch in the numbers, the electric latch retraction releases the latch, and it opens up the door. So what are some of the exit devices that this QEL kit and request to exit kit are compatible with? They're compatible with all grade 1 33 series, 35 series, 98 series, and 99 series Von Duprin panics. So here we go, let's get Frank in here. Let's show you how to install these. We get a lot of phone calls for this request on this video. A lot of guys out in the field, a lot of ladies out in the field trying to install this. And it's not difficult, but there's a process to do it, so let us show you.
Today we are going to install a QEL kit in a 99 EO 48-inch panic. First thing you want to do, we're going to remove the back rail. Then with a slotted flathead screwdriver, we're going to unscrew the 2 screws in the front head of the panic. Just set those aside. Now the panic can get removed from the rail. We'll set the rail aside. And then you're going to want to lift up on these black caps, and you just slide the rail up, set that aside. Next thing we're going to do is remove this pin. Go to disassemble the head of the panic. Now we're going to flip it over and remove these 2 screws, which is going to take the head of the panic off. Set them aside to put it onto the QEL kit. Next, we're going to install the head back to the panic. So that's back on. Now we're going to flip to install these screws again. Flip it over. I'm going to push down, make sure everything's functioning correctly. Okay, now that we installed, we're going to start to put the panic back together. So under here you'll see the round poles. They're going to go into these slots, so it kind of goes in on an angle. And you want to keep these upward, these black pieces. Okay, I'll check everything's working again. Now we're going to install the wire into the back. It's a simple plug-in. Okay, and then we'll run this wire later on. Now we're going to slide the rail back into the panic. Just watch your wires as you're doing this. You don't want anything to get cut. So these black pieces have to be in a down position. And we're going to reinstall this front plate. And we'll reinsert the back plate. And you're all set. So we're going to show you how to install an RX kit in 99 on Duprin exit device. First we're going to remove the back plate. And we're going to unscrew the front case here with these two flathead screws. We take this out and set it aside. Now we're going to slide the rail off of the panic, set that aside. So we're going to pick up these two black caps, take the push pad off, set that aside. Now we're going to be working on the back end of the panic over here. This is your mechanism that'll push in to activate the switch. The switch simply just pushes in into those grooves. Now it's. We're going to take this nylon fastener. It's going to go into this bottom hole, which now locks everything in place. Now we're going to take our wires. We're going to go under the device, snake our wires through. We'll gently pull it. Just leave the excess wires hanging off the back. We're going to take our zip tie on this side with this bottom hole. We're going to zip tie the wires to that hole. We'll cut off the excess. Okay, now it's installed. We're going to put the panic back together. First, we're going to get the rail, put that back onto the panic. Check for operation. Now we're going to slide the rail back onto the panic. So these black pieces are in a downward position. So your wiring is running freely. Check for operation. Now we're going to install the front and attach the panic again. And there you have it. installation of an RX switch on a Von Duprin 99 Panic.
So thank you for watching that video. All the part numbers and all the references will be in the link below. We're going to be making a lot more installation videos. As soon as our customer service line, we get phone calls that ask us for these videos. If you want to request a video, just comment in the link below. We'll make it for you once we see it. My name is Jeff from QualityDoor.com, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Click below to subscribe to all our social channels.